Hi and welcome to today's Arch Capital update. Now we hope you all remain well out there, and as we wake up every day there's more bad news about what's going on in the world with the virus, big explosions in Beirut and the like. And you'd expect stock markets to be tumbling. They should be down 100% by now, maybe 70%, 60%. But what's happened since March is they've actually recovered, and some markets are actually now higher than they were before the coronavirus. It sounds strange. So behind me is the chart for the NASDAQ 100. That's the top 100 technology listings in the US. And that's got your Apples, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Facebook, for example, some of the biggest companies. So what's going on? Well, those companies are more profitable than ever. Like we've seen the dip here, and here's the market. It's gone to new highs. So that's a big theme at the moment, that these sort of newer, they're not small tech companies anymore, they're huge companies. And they're driving earnings and driving markets with them. And we're seeing that exposure. For our portfolios, we have got exposure through those stocks. Now one of the main funds we have for the US is a sustainability trust. So the second theme is exposure to those technologies and those companies, and two is sustainability. We're seeing a bit of a trend towards sustainability, and something we've introduced over the last few years. This report here, I can email it around, I'll put it on the website. It's a sustainability report. So it actually runs through the impact that these funds, and Dimensional is one of them, there's lots of fund managers investing this way, and the impact that's having on greenhouse gases and other corporate governance issues. So really interesting. I think that theme will continue as boards have to make decisions to do the right thing, not just around the environment, but about how they behave. And it reminds me of a book. I haven't done a book review for a while, but I was asked, and so this is a really good book. It's called Tipping Point by Malcolm Gladwell, and we're going to see some things change in the world right now. I think you all agree. And one of those in investing is, investing for the future and sustainable investing. I think there is a tipping point there that now we're going to see the majority of funds start to really take on that behaviour. And there is a tipping point towards this it's no longer new age. I mean, I was around investing and advising through the first .com boom and crash in 2000, 2001, but this is for real, and it's happening here in Australia as well, and we're seeing a shift from some of the more traditional style companies into more new age style companies who are now responding to this pandemic and how workplaces will change, perhaps, if not forever, but for perhaps quite a long time. So I hope that helps. Two key themes are the growth in the market, which seems strange given what's going on day to day. Clients are exposed to these big companies and benefiting from that, and also the sustainability theme. So I hope that's helpful. Please, of course, reach out if you'd like these reports or any more information. Thanks.